second war jantia scholarship examination arjalpsan malapnya the education subcommittee jongkaseng WJSU mentakaski ke kalai terik no pra arjalpsan kalayat ben yadenti ki kena school na baro live section kila dep yale yakani ke competitive examination mentakasni ha ki kasantli examination center apok ka greater war jantia region ki kena school ki bawan shim benta ha kani ka competitive examination kilong hadu praspa arngut tik kamala kamkiu bha hadu knaipsen ya ka first war jantia examination arjar apsaw kamis grateful a potmi chairperson jongka education subcommittee kaseng kala ai kublai kerpang ya kinong kai ba up examination ya ki volunteer kaseng but ya ki school ki bala ai man penlong examination center hagi school jongki gajing ya trilang but gajing kershan jongki pat kawar jantia la pelong ban job ya kani ka competitive examination menta kasngi hakoi pat kalyang usri Gabriel Sela publicity secretary kaseng ulakwa ban pentip lengba kalat pathai kubor baka scholarship distribution ceremony jongkani ka second war jantia scholarship examination arjar apsan kan long haka arpu artrik no pra arjar apsan hakapaun ka school rewar jantia COG secondary school lat japlam amlaram bahab ha amlaram subdivision west jantia hills district meghalaya hakapur kawib sting minstep hakani ka scholarship distribution ceremony on one pinchangan but I'm CM yakaseng da usri lakman ramboi MLA but kumjuru u education minister ka sarkar meghalaya kum kongsan kong dori kongla prominent business personality ka than war jantia but kumju jong ka than mingi kari India kum ka simbot kongsan usri Roy syndrome u president jong ka HYC central body but uba LDN lingdo general secretary jong ka FKJGP central body kinlong ki simbot kongsan ba ar jong ka ni ka event ya ka result jong ka ni ka second war jantia scholarship examination ajarapsan unpen bana haka khat nyutrik no pra ajarapsan haka por sausteng janmiet